why the conversation must continue. We must keep talking and educating ourselves. So, as we mark the 1 month anniversary of decriminalization of homosexuality in India, we look back at the struggles to find solutions for a more equal, accepting, and inclusive future. My first question, let's go right across to Vikram. It's been a month since the verdict. What's changed?
Actually, apart from the sense of relief of a very particular kind of people, especially an LGB community that belongs to the metropolitan and speaks in English and is of a certain caste and class composition, very little would change.
Action? No? Yeah. Done. Okay. I'm Kanchan. I'm 28 years old. Divorced. Recently divorced. I'm from Chhattisgarh. I was born and brought up in Chhattisgarh. My parents are from Himachal Pradesh. And I grew up in a small town. A very small town. Like nobody talked about homosexuality. Nobody knew. I did not know about it. I have never heard the term homosexuals or gays. I heard about it when I was in college, and that too in a very derogatory manner, like not in a good sense. And even though I had been in a relationship with a girl, but I could not acknowledge it, and I was also participating it in using it in a bad way. In my family, especially my dad was very strict about. We were all four sisters, so we were not like for him like we were not supposed to talk to guys. Like we should not have boyfriends. That's what he always told us. Like when we were growing up, because especially in the north it's very patriarchal and they want us to get married into our own caste, and this they want us to have arranged marriages. And my sisters also had arranged marriage. I also had an arranged marriage because they want us to marry in the same caste, same community. Like everything should be, because that's what society says. So since we were kids, he always told us, yeah, you should not do this. If you do this, I will throw you out of my house like this. We were always told that you are not allowed to do this. You should not have boyfriends. You should not talk to boys and stuff. Yeah. So maybe that's why I did not talk to boys. I did not have boyfriends.
All of us who identify as feminists have come together today to share our experiences while navigating through Delhi, meeting new people, and also getting to know each other.
Like her. Some people just get married and they don't go out for their study. So, in some or the other way, why women are bad, why women face so much stress, this is one of the major reasons that we don't generally look upon.
So Delhi changed me in the sense that I could come here and I could be as openly rebellious as possible, which I could not be in that small space.
Only because now my father is retired and my mother is working. So I see the change in my house. Like it's not that my father doesn't have that male privilege to come there, but there is a little shift in it. Now my mother I have to call my mother and tell her back में पैसा नहीं है. So my father is like हाँ ठीक है मम्मा से मतलब मैं बात करता हूँ मम्मा से. So I feel nice about it because then you have always seen your father in that place and where always mama is like पापा से पूछो. But I feel that financial thing actually matters. Like it actually matters.
I actually have a dual life. Like the person I am right now, I can never be at home. I identify as a bisexual woman, and I can never come out to my parents. I think they'll like die or something. I don't know. Like, and if they see me wearing clothes that I wear in college, they'll go crazy. I come from a very conservative household where like घर में I'm always like silent and I'm fully like covered and just like sitting and reading and stuff. But यहाँ पे I had like Miranda House gave me this opportunity to become like discover myself and pull away all those blankets that had been surrounding me for so many years. Like this is like a totally different person that my friends in school have seen, and everyone is like Miranda जाके तुम lesbian बन चुके हो and stuff like.
So as we were talking about culture of protest, so we have this Pinjra Tod protest on 8th October at Arts Faculty at 4 o'clock. So what it is about the curfew timings that the women face in their respective hostels. So, and they have a lot of other things. I'll just go through their religious circulator so that you can see it for yourself. The essence behind this is that as women, we see our liberal spaces being cracked down upon, and there are various hostelers here. I am a hosteler, and if you have an event post, say 10 o'clock in the night, 10 is an extension. So 8:30, you have to be inside. And but if the college wants you to be there for some event, there's this hypocritical attitude that we clearly see. And as women, I don't think we need to be told what time we're going out. We always need to have the option to decide whether or not we want to step out at a certain point of time. And in order to preserve that spirit, we are organizing this protest, and I hope all of you will come out in solidarity.
Women students के hostels की fees on an average in Delhi University is 3 times more than men's hostel. और जो library जो 24/7 एक बड़े आंदोलन के बाद 24/7 की गई थी, उस लाइब्रेरी में 8 बजे के बाद जाके देखिए there hardly any women students थे. कोई women student वहाँ पे होता ही नहीं, क्योंकि 8 बजे के बाद तो वो लॉकअप करने लग जाते हैं, कर्फ्यूज में बंद करने लग जाते हैं स्टूडेंट्स को.
आज हम लोग 3 साल से हम बार-बार इस गेट के सामने आ रहे हैं, और आज दोबारा हम इस गेट के सामने आए हैं एक सिंपल सी डिमांड लेके कि ये जो कर्फ्यू है वो हटाया जाए. और ये प्रशासन क्या करता है, ये दोबारा से हमारे ऊपर एक और ताला जाके रख देता है, एक और गेट हमारे आगे आके रख देता है.
Hostel has a particular deadline, so our bodies are being controlled.
Request. She's from the
road is ours, the night is ours, and today we reclaim our spaces today. चक्का जाम किए थे 4 बजे 4 बजे गए थे वीसी से बात करने, एक शब्द नहीं बोला उन्होंने, बोला हम क्या कर सकते हैं। अब 3 साल से सुन रहे हैं, आज पहली दिन नहीं है। क्या आपकी बेटी मेरी बहन पढ़ पाएगी अगर एक कॉलेज का फीस हो जाए 1 लाख रुपए, जो होने वाला है, ऑलमोस्ट हो गया है। 1 लाख नहीं हो गया, 1,80,000 है। 1,80,000 कोई पढ़ पाएगा? आपकी बेटी पढ़ पाएगी? 1,40,000।
I don't know, poetry comes from my, because I come from a very small town, and the feminism in small town is very different from the feminism in towns or big cities, because the level of, for example, a film came out which was Lipstick Under My Burqa, and a lot of young feminists criticized it, कि मतलब progressive, not progressive enough. Exactly, हाँ. But those who come from small towns and that generation which has seen a lot of oppression, for them it was like smoking a cigarette. Okay, what does it mean? I like it means so much for women from small town, especially within the broader upper caste feminist movement. Okay. Anyways, हाँ, विकल्प, उसने कहा मेट्रो ही अच्छी है, बस होती तो मर्दाना शरीर भीड़ के नाम पर छूते रहते उसके शरीर को। उसने कहा सलवार कुर्ती ही ठीक है, स्कर्ट होती तो मर्दाना आंखें देखने के नाम पर चीर देते उसके कपड़ों को। उसने कहा वर्जिन ही सही, सेक्स किया होता तो मर्दाना ढांचे नैतिकता के नाम पर कुचल देते उसके चरित्र को। वो खोजती रहती है कैब में, घर में, पार्क में, साड़ी में, लेगिंग में, शॉर्ट्स में, शादी में, प्यार में, लिव इन में, बस खोजती ही रहती है विकल्प जीवन जीने के, और जितना खोजती है उतना ही खोती जाती है खुद को।
What is विकल्प?
Alternative.
My name is Shujatra Ghosh. I am 25 years old and I'm from the city of Joy, Calcutta. I call myself a photographer. I believe in doing stories. I believe in doing stories which can have an impact on the society. And these are stories basically which revolves around us. These are problems which I try to address through my photography. And that's why I call myself an activist photographer. So the Cow Mask project I started in 2017 in the month of June. And I started photographing women wearing the cow masks. Through the pictures, I tried to ask the explicit question that if the cow is more important than a woman in this country. Because after the right-wing government came in power in India, there was a huge... there were people who were looking after cows, and there were cow vigilante groups who went to such an extent to kill people. To save cows, they didn't think twice before killing people. So that is when the question came to my mind that in a country where there's a reported rape every 15 minutes, is it not necessary for us to look after women as we look after cows? And that is where I started photographing the women wearing cow masks, and that's how I started the Cow Mask project. The first picture when I posted it went viral instantly. I got like some 200-300 shares in a day, and it just went like wildfire. Primary reactions and the pictures which were shared, all of them were my followers and my friends and acquaintances. So first few days the outrage wasn't there, but obviously when the pictures went to political minded people, it had their own views. There were people who supported it, there were people who didn't support it, and there were people who didn't support and who wanted to kill me. This is a photograph which I took in Calcutta, and I wanted to show that women are vulnerable even back at their place, back at their home. So women are vulnerable everywhere, as I said. So this is a photograph which is taken in Calcutta. I think irrespective of your gender, you are bound to be a feminist. If you're a man, if you're a woman, it doesn't matter. Whatever is your sexual orientation, you're bound to be a feminist. Feminism to me is all about equality. As a feminist, that's what I look forward to reach out to a equal society where men and women both have the same rights. If a man can wear a boxer and go out into the streets, I want people to accept that a woman can wear the boxer and go out in the streets as well, and they don't get slut shamed.
Yeah, so I was telling you that how in there's lots of information in English. Like if you want to understand about whole queer thing, there's so much information in English. You can check out YouTube videos and so much. But in Hindi, there are movies and stuff. None of them talks about the concept. Like when people try to understand what is lesbian, gay, they are he to he, she to he, and it ends at that. And they are like some other worldly people. There's no connection between things, trans or sexuality wise. What in this video we're trying to do is another thing that when we were discussing. So remember I told you like how in Hindi, so in English there are terms for all of these things. There's term to differentiate sex from gender. But in Hindi, it's ling for sex as well as gender. Both of them are considered the same. What I'm trying to do is here, there's a differentiation of English speakers in India as versus non-English speakers, and within English speakers there's also people who see English as a Western language. So when they come across these concepts, they see it as, it's coming from West. People are starting to think that it is, like Western import.
Trendy,
Trendy thing to be.
But it's not. It's been there forever.
Yes, exactly.
मैंने सोचा क्यों ना अपनी मम्मी के साथ ऐसा करके देखूं, क्या ऐसा सच में होता है? क्या हम लिंग और यौन विभिन्नता देख पाएंगे? देखते हैं। मम्मी मेरे हाथ में क्या है? सिक्का। हाँ, हर शब्द इस सिक्के की तरह होता है। जैसे सिक्के के दो पहलू होते हैं, हाँ, वैसे हर शब्द के दो पहलू होते हैं। एक तरफ होती है आवाज और दूसरी तरफ होता है मतलब, जो वो शब्द दर्शाता है। This sometimes, so if you do not understand all of these things in a linked manner, sexuality can actually lead to exclusion. Okay. So, for example, if you consider, say I'm a lesbian and I like girls, but what do you mean who are girls? Like a trans woman is also a woman.
Right.
So sexuality is very, very complicated concept that way. So how do you connect all those things?
मतलब बड़े हुए, वो बहुत तरीके से बढ़ सकता है आगे, जैसे जैसे बड़ा होता है।
कंफ्यूजन होते हैं।
हाँ, कोई बात नहीं।
ज़्यादा ही वो रहने लग रहा है।
वही. So when you understand gender is a different thing, sexuality is a different things, and how these labels work.
Okay.
These label is basically naming of the concepts. So you name few things. You
classification.
Yeah. You classify. It's basically name. For example, it will come in the video as well. For example, apple. It's a thing that we found in nature, so that we understand and we can converse about with each other. We named it apple.
Yeah.
I know.
Yeah.
So, it's that. So there's to provide something where in India people can see as well.
कुछ होते हैं कि जो मजाक उड़ाते हैं, क्योंकि उन लोगों ने हमेशा दुनिया को इस तरीके से देखा।
उनकी सोच शुरू से वैसी बनी हुई है ना, उसके अलावा और कुछ सुनना या देखना नहीं चाहते।
Actually, I am explaining you so much. It'd be better if you see the video, and I would want to know that what sort of impact that it had on you.
Okay,
So that'd
sure.
be great for me as well, actually.
Yeah.
Taking
on Times News, Navbharat Times, Times of India, Hindustan Times, everywhere he's vocal about his sexuality and defending about the rights of LGBT community. So guys, round of applause for Akash. Akash, can we have you on the stage, please? Where are you? Come.
Section 377 is no more part of our society. I completely believe in one thing, that it is now our time to talk about acceptance in other religion. I come from a place called Delhi 6 Chandni Chowk, and I come from a middle class Hindu Banya family, and this all were very much a typecast of to be considered, oh, this is too much for you to be a gay. And this is what has been my journey, where I have completely let anybody and everybody understand that it's okay if they have inhibitions to understand us. It's very okay for them to not understand us because they really don't know what is LGBTQ. But if we will take them back to a space from which they understand, because our parents understand Ardhanareshwar, because our parents understand Shikhandi, and because our parents understand the Vishwarupa of Vishnu, which says everything is within me, and they understand the fact that Aham Brahmasmi. So when they understand, when we take them to their own mythology and their own culture from which they want to say us we are not a part of the culture, and we represent it all back to them, and we say this and this is part of the culture and the religion you follow to. So this is what I completely believe, that the victory of scrapping 377 makes us humans on each and every level. We are equal citizen and we are human first. So let's celebrate, embrace and accept everyone's inquisitiveness, questions, and make them understand, because we have taken our own time to understand. It's very much important for each one of us to look forward for a future which is more responsible, which is more learned, and which is more accepting of the community, only when we will be accepting them with their strange questions.
I'm very attached to my mom, and I think in India especially, I feel like children feel that they owe their parents a lot. They owe it to them, that they have to sacrifice their own happiness for their parents' sake, that because they are your parents, you have to, even though if they are right, they don't think about that. They just think that you have to do it for your parents, anything and everything for their happiness. And Indian parents put so much pressure on their children, like, you know, because it's society, in Indian society, you are not supposed to get, like, you are, love marriage is frowned upon, like, she did that and she did it, especially for girls, it's also very difficult. So I always thought that, yeah, I will, because I am not even interested in men, maybe I will have arranged marriage. Does not matter, because I will not fall in love with the guy. So my mom was kind of started, not pressuring me, but still she started saying that maybe you should get married now. And so I had an arranged marriage. Yeah, it lasted for a few months.
उस प्यार की शुरुआत हो और अंत ना
Immediately we had a celebration, and I think we were the only college to do it. I am sure we were the only college to do it. So immediately the judgment came, and we had this rainbow. The LP.
यूं तो कहते हैं शब्दों की पहचान नहीं होती, यूं तो कहते हैं शब्दों की पहचान नहीं होती। जाने मेरी भी कहाँ थी, ढूंढता था उस पहचान को अपने भीतर कहीं, जाने कहाँ छुपी। महसूस तो हुआ कुछ अलग है मुझ में, महसूस तो हुआ कुछ अलग है मुझ में, दिखता भी था पर दुनिया को मुझे नहीं। लगता था दुनिया की आंखों में खराबी हो गई, लगता था दुनिया की आंखों में खराबी हो गई है। पर क्या पता था ये जालिम दुनिया तो मुझे ही खराब बता देगी। गलती से एक बार जज्बात में बह गया, पूछा अपने आप से, मैं कौन हूँ? दुनिया जो कहती है क्या वही सच है? क्या मैं खराब हूँ या ये दुनिया ही खराब है? क्यों तो कहते हैं शब्दों की पहचान नहीं होती, लेकिन आज इन्हीं शब्दों के जरिए बयां करता हूँ अपनी कहानी पहचान। एक कहानी उस पारदर्शक पहचान।
And I was just traveling a lot with him to not deal with the real, real thing when you have to stay with someone and everything. But it just got like difficult. I felt like I could not breathe in this house, and I was not. And he was so nice to me. He would do things for me, and I felt even worse, because I am being so bad and he's being so nice to me. So I thought maybe I should just go. So I told him maybe I'm going for a week. Maybe we should stay away, because he was also getting annoyed with all this stuff, and we were having unnecessary fights. So I said I will go for a week. I should stay alone for some time. So I went back to Noida where I was working, and I stayed there for a week, and then I went back and I got all my stuff and said that I cannot do this. I was just crying, and they were also crying that they were worried what has happened. It's a big thing. Divorce is a very huge thing in India, especially since my parents are like from a simple background, like not so modern or not so educated. Or then I finally told them, and it was not that easy, because so they were in Himachal. Himachal is where my native place is. So and they called me to come there, and they were trying. And so Indians are like very much into astrology and stuff. So they thought that might be something wrong with me, because I have not even told them about the ski thing, but they wanted to take me to some temples and whatever. So they called me to Himachal, and I went. I did whatever they were asking just for their satisfaction. I knew in my heart that I will not live with him. So I did it, but then the same day my husband also arrived, my ex-husband also came there, and so my dad started shouting at me that why are you doing this, he's such a nice guy and all that. And I said that I don't want to. So I told them that I don't like men, I cannot live with him, I will not love him ever, and I like girls. I just told them, and he was so angry. I mean, So he tried to hit me, but then my ex-husband was there, so he stopped him, and he said terrible stuff, like terrible stuff to me.
बहुत अमेजिंग बहुत और उसी दिन आई थिंक वो उसी दिन देयर वाज अ क्वियर फिल्म फेस्टिवल जिस दिन उन्होंने स्क्रीन किया था वो तो दैट वाज अ वेरी गुड उसमें आई डोंट नो इफ यू नो अम्बेडकर से एक टीवी मूवी मतलब अम्बेडकर से एक स्टूडेंट है वो भी लाइक था उसमें he's a trans man also Saransh I think
I know Saransh.
Maybe.
I'm friends with Saransh.
Yeah. The queer community, everybody knows each other. Anyway, but yeah.
2 नवंबर को भी
हाँ.
तो आइडिया ये है कि पोइट्री और स्टोरी टेलिंग होगा डिसेबिलिटी के बारे में और साथ में एक म्यूरल बनाने का आइडिया है. तो अगर आप लोग मतलब प्लीज आके और जो भी करना है आपको जो भी बनाना है डिसेबिलिटी थीम पे डेफिनेटली हम लोग को चाहेंगे कि थोड़ा तो कुछ हो क्योंकि हम लोग भी चाह रहे हैं कि कुछ एग्जिस्टेंस हमारा भी एक आए कि यू नो बिकॉज इंडिया में कहीं ऐसा डिसेबिलिटी मूवमेंट और डिसेबिलिटी आइडेंटिटी बेसिकली हमारा ऐसा कलेक्टिव आइडेंटिटी कहीं है तो एक मुहिम होगी अच्छी
Or we can just write words, you know, empowering words or poetry within that blue. There is a blue painted wall. It's dark blue, so rainbow might be difficult to paint. उसमें difficult होगा. So we can put some poetry or messages, and all of you, if you want, like Kalpana has been practicing making like trees and vines, so you can make trees and vines, and it doesn't have to look very beautiful and perfect. Like we can keep working on it later on also. In Ambedkar University.
कितने साइज का है
साइज आई थिंक मेरे पास फोटो है हमने उसको गिना नहीं और फिर उसको पेंट करने के बाद हम लोग थोड़ा स्टोरी टेलिंग और पोइट्री करेंगे तो दैट इज समथिंग दैट वी आर प्लानिंग एक्सपीरियंस
सवाल उठता है कि आखिर संस्कृति है क्या? अब इसके उत्तर में काफी विचार के बाद प्रश्न
No man, input tools fucks up majorly.
But it's always better to do that.
Ugly performer. Next performer is one of the members of our group, Shivangi, and then we'll have Rani. Shivangi, please come.
मैं इंग्लिश में कविता लिखती हूँ तो सॉरी इफ ओके so I'm a queer disabled activist. Queer and disabled are two identities that the government pretends that they don't exist. People constantly ask me why disabled and why queer because I don't give a fuck about what able people think. And I'm incapable of caring about what this heteronormative society says. Because monogamy is a part of capitalist property relations. Because people find it difficult to release the idea of sexuality from the imperative to procreate. Because I was never taught how to love in this patriarchal world. A world where everyone is sad and broken. Where love is about profit and losses, give and take. Games and players where there is no silence. So I also really like making lists and so this is a list I made about when able people ask me what happened referring to my disability and the various answers I give based on my mood. So I say I went deep sea diving and a shark bit me off. Divine intervention. I have a unique deathly contagious disease, so stay away. I fell off the Burj Khalifa and survived. My family lives in another planet and I got left behind on our last mission to Earth. And I was born this way, bitch. Thank you.
Yeah. Now I'm tasting Kamlesh sweet. Okay. And now look at his expression. Now look at my expression. I can kill you. So you compare me and my sister's video, right? They were having so much fun. Look at me, I'm so serious. Feels like a dream. Crazy चूतिया. शिल्पा, it's crazy चूतिया.
अरे हाँ, मोड़ी तेरे साथ सब्जी खाना है?
नहीं.
तो इतना छीना तो मैं नहीं खा रही चली.
तुम चीनी डाल के खा लो.
इतना ज़्यादा नहीं. इसमें कितना नहीं होता?
और इसको कढ़ा देती हूँ.
क्या होगा इससे?
कढ़ा देती हूँ.
तो
अच्छा लगेगा.
जो करना करो. इसका सब्जी बनाओ नहीं तो फिर
फेंक दो.
फेंक दो.
क्यों भागी तुम? पहले मुझे बताओ. They did not have my slippers. I ran like this. Not dependent on anybody else for my happiness. It's me who has to keep myself happy, and I will be living like every single day. I will live my life.